We all set?
Ready?
Ready, set, go. Lighting roll one.
Nice.
We know where the hose at. You got a light on the hose.
There it is.
Ready?
There you go.
Here we go. To the tree. Come on, baby. Come on, baby.
There you go, buddy.
There it is. One on the roof, we're good, we're clear. We're still running the ground. We're clear. You're gonna hear me say that a lot. I'm just shaking right now.
Perfect, perfect, it's beautiful. I love those.
Clear.
Oh, this will be cool.
Low one, we're good. We're clear. Still running, we're clear. We're clear over there. I don't see anything lit, we're good.
Nope, we're good. Still running. Still Landy.
Nice job, Landy.
Beautiful, beautiful timing.
Nice timing, Landy. That's a good one. The last one's City Crasher.
That's awesome.
The next one is, yeah. We're running still.
Beautiful.
Still running.
They haven't seen nothing yet.
No.
Good job, Landy.
Beautiful, Landy. Good timing again on
Good
that.
timing, Landy.
Beautiful timing, sir.
Love it. City Crasher. Clear.
Beautiful.
We're clear.
Second row.
Second row.
Right there.
Thank you, buddy.
Yep.
Should we light it?
Do it. Burn a hole. There you go.
I love this thing.
Yeah.
Kurt, I love this light.
Yeah.
Okay. We're running. Slow fuse, but we're running.
Yep.
That's okay.
Yep. We're good.
Slow down, wind.
Yeah.
Slow down, wind.
That's a beautiful one.
That fuse is, there we go.
There it goes. It's right.
Are we still running? Yeah, we're still running.
Still running.
Here we go.
Oh, I love this one.
We still running? Clear.
Oh,
Perfect.
good.
They'll go out, don't they?
Beautiful.
Isn't that a sweet? That is awesome.
That's a sweet cake.
Love that one.
That's a sweet cake.
Oh. No, I love the ending. No, it didn't do it. I thought it was too big.
We still running?
Yeah, we're running. Still running.
Okay.
Those 2 inch are just. Here we go.
There we go. I love that fast feed. Oh, that's gonna be.
Wait till the finale.
Oh, I can't wait.
Highfalutin.
Yep.
Clear. Oh my God, this is absolutely perfect. The winds are perfect.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah, awesome.
Watch Ash's clear. Isn't that great?
Absolutely perfectly timed. Perfectly timed.
Oh, thank you. Clear. Still running.
Yep.
Oh, beautiful color.
Are we clear?
Isn't that beautiful?
Oh, we're good.
Fill that sky. Still running?
Still running.
Very nice.
Are you out here, honey?
Good job, Minion.
Okay.
Look like little minions.
Do we? I got a head camera on.
Yeah.
And Dave's watching me. Dave Giefer's watching what I see. He sees what I see.
You look like little minions.
Here goes.
Night flight. Watch these.
Oh, I said no.
Clear.
Yep.
We clear?
Good.
Get up there, baby. I like those. Those are one of my favorites.
Which one is this?
Night flight.
Oh, yeah, all right.
I love night flight. That's one of my favorites. I really like that cake.
People honking. Go quick, Landy.
It's running so perfect, Rob. Are we all clear out back? No fires, nothing on fire over there.
Looks good. Everything looks good.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh!
that's a nice one.
Chris, that
That
was
was
really
beautiful.
nice.
Here we go.
They're perfect.
I love those connectors. It just keeps going. Night flight.
Yep.
I love that. Oh, it's still going.
That's cake. It's
Oh, it is.
I think we timed it pretty good, guys.
I think we timed it really good. We're still running. No. No, because Chris, the next row's on next row's on this side.
All right, good.
Was that the end?
Yeah, that's the end of that row.
Hey, is it really? The knife flight wasn't last. All right, hold tight, hold tight. Be careful where you're walking. Go around.
Yep.
And then the night flight wasn't. Oh, yeah, it was. It was. That was speed. That was speed trap.
Yep.
That last one. Okay, we're clear. Here we go. You're okay, Chris. Blonde joke.
Is it blonde joke?
Yeah.
That's an awesome ending there. That's awesome.
What, honey?
Is that the grand?
Oh, we still have 2 more rows. Plus, yeah, we're lots. Oh yeah, but that one was called Blonde Joke. Was the name of the firework. One of Ron's favorites. Hustle bustle. Hustle bustle.
Alright. There's your little sperms.
There's your sperms. It's called hustle bustle.
Those are the eggs.
This is filling the.
Remember those? I love those babies.
Falutin. Claire.
That is so sweet. That is so fucking sweet.
Fuck yeah!
Still running.
Hey, here comes the Genesis.
Oh, I love it.
Landing, get out!
Still running.
Ooh.
We okay?
I'm good. I'm good. So awesome. That's such a great.
Genesis.
That's a son of a bitch.